Want to build a thriving sports club? This video and accompanying PPT proposal is must to win the support of members, sponsors, and the public at large for successful sports programs. This powerful PPT deck features an impressive cover letter to make your sports program stand out and gain instant support. Enhance your knowledge on creating a successful sports program proposal with our PPT presentation. Just click on the link below to download and also to get 15% off. Showcase the event name, participant count, location, timing, and more with flawless planning to ensure that chaos stays away from the arena. Highlight the benefits your proposal comes with, such as branding, sales lead generation, hospitality and networking, and merchandising, with the use of this PPT template. Use this well-structured PowerPoint slides to describe different sponsorship packages. These also highlight the advantages and the cost price of each package, emphasizing the inclusions. Download to jumpstart your sports initiative with our Sports Program Proposal PPT deck. With this helpful PPT resource, giving an overview of your club in an impressive manner will become a breeze. Proudly highlight competitions entered and what the club has achieved. Guide your prospects through your club's strong foundation and background. Share the club's focus, vision, and mission with this content-ready PPT slide, and build an unbreakable sponsorship relationship based on trust. Want more? Get access to a well-structured client testimonial template with a space to add their picture. This builds your brand, acting as a signal of your excellence in organizing sport events. Grab this all-inclusive slide with binding terms and conditions to ensure a watertight proposal is inked. Download it now for ultimate convenience. If you are looking for more such presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.